Pine Acres Dusty here, back with another super fresh arrival, guys. The only thing hotter than this day is this frickin' trailer, man. Let's check her out. 2026 Wildwood 270Zen. You've never seen nothing like it before, guys. Now, on the exterior of this unit, we got 2 JBL speakers, spot you can mount a TV. Look at the strip lighting down the side. 2 frickin' awnings, heated and enclosed underbelly. There is power jacks up front and at the back. We got 3 solid steps going in. Come on inside, guys. You're going to love it. Crap, guys. Look what we got going on in here. This is one of my favorite features. Check out the lighting. Right down the wall. That is very friggin' awesome. Love that. Now, over here into the kitchen area, we do have a nice large fridge to store all your goodies. Check out the decor here. That's actually a cabinet. Look at that. And then right down here as well, that's a great spot for your spices. Up above, same thing. And then over top of the range hood. Now, we have a 3-burner cooktop, great size oven, all the counter space you could want. Check it out, garbage can with pull-out drawers. And we got a spot right down here. We can store our pots and our pans. Now, if you guys want to shift over this way, I'll show you just underneath the sink. Because usually I say this is where you put the garbage can, but the garbage can is over here. So I don't know, maybe stick a cooler there or something. Huge sink. Look at all the counter space here, but it's also your table, guys. I love the way they do that. Now, while you're still looking over this area, I want you to turn your eyes to this. Awesome mirror to check yourself out in. Boom. That's your microwave. Up top, you got some more storage. Down below, I don't know, maybe put some packs of Mr. Noodles there or something. And then a nice, great big pantry. Gotta love it. Now, I also like these ones because they do, even though it has this, it still keeps the LED strip lighting, which is very beautiful. This couch over here will convert into a bed. There's some storage spots on the couch right there with some LEDs in the slide out, which I absolutely love. You do have the blackout curtains as well. And then back this way. This is my favorite part. Look at the loungers. Very vintage, very awesome. And then all in around here. That's a complete arch. Backlit LED. Beautiful window. That's a great spot to have your coffee in the morning. Now over here, we have the Televator. Say bye, TV. It's a great, awesome spot. There is a window behind that with a blind as well. And a fireplace to keep you warm on those chilly nights, guys. Now, we got this part done. Come on up in here. I got some more to show you. Check out the bathroom. LED lit mirror. There is some storage shelves here with storage underneath the vanity. You do have the toilet conveniently placed right underneath the skylight and all the extra headroom you could want in the shower. This unit also has on-demand hot water, guys. Don't forget that. Now we're going to go check out the bedroom. All your unit controls are conveniently right here, just inside the door, as well as your JBL sound system hookup. Into the bedroom, we have the Versatilt king size, extra storage on either side of the beds. There is storage up above, ducted AC in here with the roof vent. Closet space over here. You might be thinking, well, you got a closet behind you, dude. No, I got a spot for a washer and dryer, guys. You can live in this thing if you wanted to. This 270Zen is freaking awesome, guys. I love it. You're going to love it. Come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. Check it out for yourselves. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.